In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks tutorial, transfer or expense. If you've ever wondered whether something belongs as a transfer or an expense in QuickBooks, you're not alone. Here's the simple way to think about it. A transfer is used when you're moving money between accounts that your business already owns, like from checking to savings, or when paying down a company credit card from your business bank account. It doesn't affect your profit and loss because you're not buying anything. You're just shifting funds. An expense, on the other hand, records money your business spends with an outside party, like a vendor, a subscription, or a utility. That does affect your profit and loss and your categories. Let's start with a transfer. In QuickBooks, go to the top left and click New, then choose Transfer. You'll see two account fields. Select the account you're moving money out of, and then the account you're moving money into. Enter the amount you moved. If you'd like, add a date and a memo so it's easy to recognize later and to help with bank feed matching. Double check that the direction makes sense. Money should flow from the source account to the destination account. This is especially important when recording credit card payments or moving funds between checking and savings. Using a transfer keeps your books clean and prevents accidentally booking income or expenses for internal movements. Now, let's record an expense. Again, click New at the top left, and this time, select Expense. You'll be prompted to fill out the details. Choose the payment account you used to pay, pick a payee if there is one, set the date, and enter what the money was for. Use the appropriate category so it shows up correctly on your profit and loss, and add the amount and any memo for context. If you track billable expenses or classes, this is also where you can include those details. Clear, descriptive memos and accurate categories make reporting far more useful and help with future audits or reviews. When everything looks right, click Save and Close. A quick guideline to avoid mistakes. If no outside party is involved and the money stays within your business accounts, it's a transfer. If you paid someone or bought something, it's an expense. Avoid using transfers for owner draws or reimbursements unless they truly are internal moves, and watch for duplicates if you also connect bank feeds. That's all. With these steps, you'll confidently choose the right option and keep your books accurate and easy to understand.